ويذيرني متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ثلاثة.
3.
التعارف.
Getting to know others.
Getting to know others.
مرحبا.
Hi.
Hi.
مرحبا.
Hello.
Hello.
كيف حالك؟
How are you?
How are you?
هل أنت من أوروبا؟
Do you come from Europe?
Do you come from Europe?
هل أنت من أمريكا؟
Do you come from America?
Do you come from America?
هل أنت من آسيا؟
Do you come from Asia?
Do you come from Asia?
في أي فندق تقيم؟
In which hotel are you staying?
In which hotel are you staying?
منذ متى وأنت هنا؟
How long have you been here for?
How long have you been here for?
كم ستبقى هنا؟
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
هل يعجبك هنا؟
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
هل أنتم تمضون إجازتكم هنا؟
Are you here on vacation?
Are you here on vacation?
يجب أن تزوروني.
Please do visit me sometime.
Please do visit me sometime.
هذا هو عنواني.
Here is my address.
Here is my address.
هل سنرى بعضنا غدا؟
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
يؤسفني. لقد أصبحت مرتبطا بشيء.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
إلى اللقاء.
Bye.
Bye.
أراكم قريبا.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
إلى اللقاء قريبا.
See you soon.
See you soon.